What if winning back your ex was easier than you ever imagined?
Free breakthrough reveals the psychological trigger that can make your ex want you back.
This is a little-known psychological loophole that defies conventional relationship advice, and it's shocking experts with how effortlessly it helps rekindle lost love.
In this free presentation, you'll uncover covert psychological triggers designed to shift how your ex sees you, so they feel an undeniable pull toward you again, even if they swore it was over or have already moved on.
Inside, you'll learn
This psychological trigger that can reignite attraction and shift how your ex sees you.
the mistakes that push your ex further away, and what to do instead.
A proven three-phase system: recovery, rekindling, reattraction.
How to spark nostalgia for the good old days without chasing or begging.
Why strategic distance works when used correctly.
How subtle jealousy triggers can rebuild emotional pull and desire.
What you must avoid for 30 days after the breakup, or you risk losing them for good.
This program is designed for both men and women who feel heartbroken, stuck, and desperate for a second chance.
If you're serious about rekindling the spark and creating a fresh, healthier relationship, access the presentation now before it's taken down. Visit theattractionedge.com to get instant access and take action today.